when Bernice and I first arrived in your beautiful country, we knew nothing about Australia except, of course, the Bee Gees and that Olivia Newton girl. Great singer, yeah. Anyhow, your airline, Terrific Airlines of Australia, really looked after us. First of all, they took us to Brisbane, where some of the locals put on one of their quaint folk rituals for us. All that dancing in the streets, well, let me tell you, it was just like the Mardi Gras down home in New Orleans. What a Bernice! And after that, it was off to the art gallery where we picked up a few real bargains of genuine Australian art. Bernice picked up one of the cutest little koala bears, just been stuffed. Yes, sir. And then Terrific Airlines of Australia fixed us up with this great little car, and off we went to one of your little pubs, I think they call it, where some of the, is it the cobbers, made us feel right at home. And that bear can't walk 'em certainly brought tears to my eyes. Blacking one of Bernice's too. Show 'em, hun. Hey? Terrific Airlines of Australia were really great to us. They treat us just like they treat you Australians. No leg room, cold coffee, and ridiculous fares. In fact, Bernice and I ain't going back to the States now. It's not that we like it here so much. It's just after paying to get around Australia, we can't afford the fare home. Come on, Bernice.
The only POO on Australian television will be back after this break.